Imagine this. You're thousands of meters above the ground, inside a massive commercial airliner. Suddenly, an emergency announcement echoes through the cabin. Your heartbeat quickens. Your eyes glance under your seat, and one burning question hits you. Why isn't there a parachute here? With all the advanced aviation technology we have today, why don't commercial airplanes carry parachutes for passengers? Could a parachute really save lives? Or is that just Hollywood fantasy? Jumping with a parachute sounds heroic, even exciting. But here's the truth. It's not that simple. Skydiving requires serious training. Controlling your body mid-air, deploying the chute at the right time, navigating to a safe landing. None of these things happen by chance. Wearing a parachute doesn't automatically make you safe. In fact, in the hands of an untrained person, it becomes a life-threatening risk. Commercial airliners cruise at around 900 kilometers per hour at altitudes above 30,000 feet. That's an environment where oxygen levels drop dramatically and temperatures plummet to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Jumping from that height isn't just dangerous, it's nearly impossible without oxygen masks, thermal gear, and proper survival equipment. So, even if a parachute were under every seat, each passenger would also need an entire survival kit, adding tons of extra weight and complexity. Let's say, hypothetically, everyone has training and the right gear. Now comes the next problem: opening the door. Airplanes are pressurized. Doors are designed not to open mid-flight. The pressure difference won't allow it. And if it somehow opens, the sudden decompression and air suction can violently pull passengers out. Plus, you still have to avoid the engines, the wings, and the tail. It's not just risky, it's practically suicidal. In a real emergency, people panic. Everyone rushes to the exit, pushing, shouting, chaos erupts. There's no calm, single-file skydiving line like in training videos. And what about children, elderly passengers, or those with disabilities? It becomes an unmanageable situation, not a rescue operation. In aviation, every kilogram counts. An average parachute weighs 10 to 15 kilograms. For a plane with 200 passengers, that's over 2 to 3 tons of additional weight. Add the cost of training, redesigning aircraft interiors, installing ejection systems. It's not just a technical challenge, it's economically unsustainable. In short, while the idea of jumping from a plane with a parachute may seem exciting, it's far from practical in commercial aviation. Airline safety focuses on minimizing risk through prevention, not escape. Stronger aircraft, highly trained crews, automated systems, and constant monitoring. These are what make flying one of the safest ways to travel. Because the safest flight is the one where no one has to jump,